Hi, my beautiful Aquarians. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Aquarians, today we are going to do the reading for your collective sign for the month of March 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? Also, please do check out other signs in your birth chart to get a better and clear understanding. So Aquarians, while shuffling and meditating for you guys, I was getting one very clear message that someone here needs lot of healing. Okay, someone is kind of get through some situation, get through some heartache, and that person is really in a very sad place, in a very sad, sitting in a very sad energy, and that person really needs to do some healing work. There is one interesting thing that kept on happening while shuffling was in the Little Mermaid's deck there is a card called as Healing Heart. So that card kept on coming, like I think I saw that card at least 3 to 4 times. So definitely, then there was this Three of Swords from the tarot deck. So guys, definitely someone needs to do some healing work. The thing is that if we do not heal certain aspects of our life, those events and those incidents keep on repeating. Okay, those keep on repeating unless we learn our lessons, unless we take some conscious steps, unless we make peace with that whatever it is. Okay, it's like a physical injury. Unless you tend to it, unless you take right medicines, the wound doesn't heal, or it doesn't recover. Likewise, even in matters of heart or emotions or relationships, unless you take some conscious steps to heal whatever is whatever is kind of I would say injured or not right, things will keep on repeating. So definitely some healing work required here, guys. If you do not understand these terms like emotional healing or healing work that I'm mentioning right now, do get in touch with me. I can help you with this. Okay, so yeah, a little heavy energy, guys, for some of you. Like I said, this might not resonate with all, but so to whoever this is applicable, please take note of this. Okay, so let's get started and see what we have for you guys in the month of March. Yeah, emotions, a lot of emotions running high, definitely. Oh my god, as expected, the there are a lot of, yeah, there you go again, the Three of Swords is here again, and well, I pretty much expected it. Wow, the energy at the bottom of the deck is the Tower card. Didn't I say it's not an easy time for some of you guys, for sure. Something major is happening here. Five of Swords, Seven of Swords, guys. What's up? What's up? Yeah, Eight of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles was the next card. So let's jump in directly in your reading. We'll come to this overall energies later on. Okay, so the energy at your current state is Queen of Cups. Now this queen is someone who is really very emotional. Okay, really very emotional. She is someone who is yeah, this is a person who is really being very emotional right now. The emotions of this person are really running high. Something is kind of hurting this person. Something is kind of troubling this person is what I see. Now the gender can be anything. It could be he or she. Even though this is queen, all I'm trying to say is someone's emotions are running really high, guys. Someone is feeling extremely emotional and need to take care of or tend to his or her heart and emotions. The energy crossing is that of World. Now interestingly, I'll talk this and this card together, the one that is in your recent past. Now this is 10 of wands. Someone needs to let go of the burden. Okay, someone needs to just put down the burdens. Okay, you're probably carrying too much baggage. Okay, too much baggage. Now this to me looks like someone is carrying a lot of emotional baggage, taking too many responsibilities, and sometimes we try to take care of everyone else's feelings but our own, and then at the end of it you get up hurting yourself, okay, more than anyone else. That kind of energy I'm getting over here. That the energy crossing is that of world. The life is coming full circle. Okay, some chapter is kind of coming to its closure. Some chapter is coming to an end. Okay, yeah, some cycle in your life is coming to an end, and that is what is quite hurtful. Okay, it's not an easy incident, it's not an easy event that has happened or is happening. The transition that you're going through is not an easy one, is what I see over here, and a lot of emotions are running high over here, guys. Some of you, this could also mean some overseas travel. Okay, traveling to see someone, okay, or someone coming to see you. Yeah, that's also one thing I can see over here. But more than that, I feel that this is a completion or closure of one aspect or one cycle of your life. The energy at the bottom is that of King of Cups. Now King of Cups and Queen of Cups in the same reading, it's very interesting, guys. I really feel that this is related to someone's relationship, someone's married life probably. Okay, something is happening in someone's relationship over here. These are two people who are quite emotional or are going through an emotional phase right now, is what I see. Lot of emotions in this reading. You could have water in your any of your charts, like Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, you could have water in your chart, or you could be dealing with a fellow water sign, is what I see. You or your person might have water in your sign, but overall there is a lot of emotions and lot of emotional turmoil, is what I see over here. You guys love each other for sure, but there is something that is between you two that needs healing. Okay, that definitely needs healing and to be sorted out. I'm sorry, guys, to those who are looking for a career reading, but to me this overall reading looks very specific and to someone's emotional aspect, someone's personal aspect. So if you guys are looking for career reading, I think this is not the one for you. The energy at the crowning level is Two of Swords. Now this is again you at some crossroads. Okay, this is you who needs to take certain decisions, certain concrete decisions. Okay, certain strong decisions, certain strong actions in your life. Okay, but you are still not there yet. Okay, you are contemplating things, you are weighing things, you are trying to see pros and cons of both the options. You're I can see someone is literally at a crossroad over here. Okay, and this definitely is same energy that I can see. Someone something that has happened in your life which has put you on the crossroads. Okay, and you really need to choose one direction, is what I see over here. In the energy in your immediate future is that of Page of Cups. Now this is an apology. Okay, either you are going to apologize to someone or someone is going to come and apologize to you, guys. This could be through a message. Okay, this could be through, yeah, you can expect an apology through a message, or you can expect an apology just out of the blue when you're not kind of expecting it. Okay, that kind of energy. This is going to come as a surprise. Now for another group of people, this I can also see a love offer coming your way. Okay, someone just coming out of nowhere and telling you, hey, look, I have got feelings for you, I really like you. I think that you guys have been knowing each other, you guys know each other, you have been interacting to each other, but there was no kind of expression of this kind of like romantic love that has happened between you two, and that is going to happen now, and this is going to take you by surprise. This to me looks like a soulmate connection. King and Queen of Cups, you guys are kind of made for each other. Okay, if this is a new relationship that is brewing up, I think that you guys are going to go ahead and move into a committed relationship is what I see over here. And this is just going to happen just out of the blue when you're not really expecting it. Yeah. And to some of you guys, this is an apology coming your way, or you apologizing to someone is what I see. Yeah, the energy in the advice card is that of Four of Wands. Okay, now again here these two energies I will talk about in particular. When that person is going to apologize to you, you will return back, you'll return to your normal family life. Okay, everything will set or everything will fall in place. Okay, if this is a married couple who is going through some turbulent times, know that a heartfelt sorry or an heartfelt apology, okay, or owning up to your own mistakes, okay, coming clean will definitely help restore this energy and things will fall in place. Okay, for some of you guys, definitely there is a love offer coming in and that could lead to some celebration. Okay, you guys might end up being together for a long run. Okay, you might get engaged or you might get married as well. Okay, definitely some call of celebration over here, and I'm so happy to see this card after all these turbulent energies. In the external influences, there is Three of Swords. Now this energy is what I was talking about from the beginning, and at the first energy that I spoke about. Some heartbreak over here, lot of pain, lot of heartache. Someone is really going through some tough times, and I am really sorry you guys have to go through this. I know it's not easy, but I can actually feel that someone is grieving over something and trying hard to get their life back. Okay, that kind of energy is what I'm feeling over here. In your hopes and fears, there's this Emperor. Now this is again, what do I say, this is I would say that this needs to be you, or you are finally deciding to take some stand up for yourself. Okay, you'll kind of put your foot down on the situation, and you'll take some concrete steps. This Two of Swords, definitely I feel that you'll arrive to some concrete decision and you'll be like, okay, enough is enough, no more of this BS. Okay, I'm going to do the right things, I'm going to do whatever it takes, I am going to apologize if need be, but I am going to do whatever it takes to mend this. Okay, the energy in the output is that of Knight of Pentacles. Now I feel that this is a very slow moving energy, guys. This is going to take some time for sure. This is going to take time, but you'll have long term benefits for this. Okay, whoever is going through this troubled times, okay, if it's a couple, if it's not necessarily a married couple, if two people who are dating and have got or are in a relationship, and if things have gone sore between you two guys, know that things are going to come back to normal, but it will take time. It will really take time. The healing is going to take time is what I see over here. Let's talk about your overall energy. Yeah, I had seen, the Tower. The Tower was the energy at the bottom of the deck. Now, like it said, some incident had, that incident just threw you in, what do I say, in waters is what I would say. It just kind of threw you from, like, you can actually imagine from a big tower, okay? Something came crashing down, okay, and you can see literally there are two people who are just coming out of this burning tower. There is this fire, there are flames, and definitely a very tough period for some of you guys, but this event is going to change your lives forever. You are going to learn your lessons hard way. Okay, this is like, and guys, this is not something that has happened all of a sudden. I mean, it did happen all of a sudden, but it was building up, it was piling up somewhere, okay, and you did not pay attention to it, and then one fine day the tower just came crashing down. So it was not that the universe or the gods had given you signals about this, it's just that you did not pay attention to it. And then what happened? happens is the universe says, whoa, okay, I have been telling you, you did not pay attention to it, and here you go. Now you have no choice but to learn your lessons and mend your ways. Okay, that kind of energy. I'm really sorry guys, but this is what I'm strongly getting over here. I'm not being rude, but this is what I'm getting over here through this reading, and I'm really sorry for whatever is happening. Five of Swords and Seven of Swords. Someone is feeling betrayed over here. I would say that did we see Ten of Swords? No, Ten of Swords was not here, but I feel that there was some kind of deception over here, and that is the crux of this reading. Okay, that is the reason why probably things have gone sour between two people. Okay, someone definitely was not truthful to the other. Okay, someone felt cheated, someone was kind of fooling around is what I see. There are some lies over here is what I see, and that is what has left the other person extremely hurt. Okay, yeah, that's what I see over here guys. Some kind of deception over here. Eight of Pentacles. Now time to Eight of Pentacles and Judgment. Now guys, Judgment is a second chance. Okay, second chance. It's kind of the universe is giving you a second chance. Okay, to mend things. Okay, you guys really will have to work over this. Okay, you will really have to put lot of efforts to restore whatever has gone wrong. Okay, you guys really need to put efforts into the relationship, as well as you'll have to work on yourself. Now the people who is hurt over here, if it is you who is sitting in this heartbreak energy, you will have to work on yourself. You'll have to take care of yourself, your own energies, your own emotions. Okay, you need to take care of your own feelings. Put your foot down. Okay, say no to any BS of anyone, coming from anyone guys, and stand for yourself. Take a stand for yourself, take care of yourself, do what makes you happy, do whatever that makes or puts you at peace. Okay, take care, self nurture, self caring is what I see over here, and give another chance to this, and I think things are going to fall in place. Definitely, like I said, things are not going to happen overnight. This is going to take some time to restore, okay, or come back to normal. But yeah, definitely I think you guys will get there. Lot of heavy energy guys, Aquarians. I'm really sorry to those who are going through this, but well, what do we say, life is like that. Let's see. Oops, positive energy. Wow, I'm liking this card. Surround yourself with positive people and situation and avoid negativity. Wow, I like this card guys, and this is what is required in this situation. Keeping positive is okay. I will take this also. Synchronicity. Incidentally, this had come out while shuffling also. Your prayers and questions are being answered by synchronistic events. Notice them in order to increase their flow. So pay attention to repetitive events, repetitive numbers, like if you see 111, 333, 555. 5 is especially a number of change. Okay, so pay attention to repetitive signs. The universe talks to us through these signs, whether you believe it or not. If you need any information on any of this guys, please do get in touch with me. Let's see what we have for you from this beautiful deck. Okay, two cards have popped out. Your dreams need a practical plan. Conclusions are within reach. Now, interesting cards, guys. Conclusions are within reach. Like I said, there was this world card also, like a part or a phase of your life is coming to a full circle, and you'll get closure to that aspect of your life. Okay, you'll end something, some bad patch of your life, and you'll move ahead. Second card is your dreams need a practical plan. Now this is a very specific message again. If you guys have some goals in your mind, okay, ensure that those goals are clubbed with some practical steps, practical actions, okay, to make them come into reality. Otherwise, just making some plans and having some goals won't help unless you club them with the right actions. Okay guys, Aquarians, that was quite a heavy energy, and I hope things settle down soon for you guys. Okay, If this reading resonates with you, please hit the like button, drop comments, okay, share this video if you think it might help someone, okay. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Also guys, in the month of March, the YouTube channel for Tarot Talks is completing 1 year, and I'm so happy about it. So on this opportunity, I'm offering flat 20% off on all my personal readings, okay. So you can take advantage of this or let other people know about this thing, okay guys. So yeah, I shall leave it at that. I hope things settle down for you soon, okay. See you next month. Take care, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.